Welcome back to Artos Hub, where American classics are reimagined with bold modern performance. Today, we're stepping into the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427, a commanding revival of one of Chevrolet's most iconic full-size muscle sedans. The 2026 Impala SS 427 combines legendary American style, high-output performance, and contemporary technology, delivering a driving experience that balances brute force, luxury, and road presence. From the first glance, the 2026 Impala SS 427 commands attention. Its wide, low stance and muscular fenders immediately convey power, while a redesigned front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a bold grille that blends aggression with sophistication. The long hood hints at the high-performance V8 lying beneath, while the sculpted body lines flow smoothly into the rear, preserving the classic silhouette of the Impala while updating it for modern performance standards. Chrome accents along the side panels and tail section highlight the car's premium character, reinforcing its identity as both a performance sedan and a statement of American automotive heritage. Under the hood, the 2026 Impala SS 427 is all muscle. A supercharged 427 cubic-inch V8 produces exhilarating horsepower and a thunderous exhaust note, blending raw performance with refined delivery. Acceleration is immediate, with power available at every throttle input. Torque is abundant, ensuring effortless passing on highways and responsive performance during spirited drives. The engine's combination of modern engineering and classic displacement creates a unique driving experience that feels both nostalgic and cutting-edge. Handling is equally impressive for a full-size muscle sedan. The chassis has been stiffened and tuned to deliver precise cornering, while adaptive suspension systems provide a balance between comfort and performance. The wide track, low center of gravity, and performance tires keep the Impala stable and planted, allowing drivers to push confidently through corners without sacrificing ride quality. Braking is equally capable, with large ventilated discs ensuring consistent stopping power under all conditions. Inside, the cabin elevates the driving experience with premium materials and a layout that balances luxury and performance. Leather-trimmed seats provide support for high-speed driving while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring a digital instrument cluster, intuitive infotainment, and seamless connectivity for navigation, media, and smartphone integration. Attention to detail, such as contrast stitching, brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting, emphasizes the Impala's refined nature, without undermining its aggressive character. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 honors its heritage while embracing modern performance and technology. It's not just a full-size sedan, it's a bold reinterpretation of a muscle legend. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 comes alive the moment it hits the road. Its muscular presence is matched by an engine that delivers immense torque and smooth, linear acceleration, giving drivers confidence and excitement with every press of the pedal. Despite being a full-size sedan, the handling is surprisingly agile. The adaptive suspension absorbs road imperfections while maintaining precise body control, allowing the car to corner with the poise of a smaller performance vehicle. Every turn of the wheel communicates feedback, creating a connection between driver and machine that feels natural yet exhilarating. Acceleration in the Impala SS 427 is effortless and commanding. The supercharged 427 V8 delivers power instantly, propelling the car forward with an unmistakable roar. Passing maneuvers on highways are accomplished with ease, while highway merges feel controlled and confident. The exhaust note is deep and resonant, echoing Chevrolet's muscle car heritage while blending with modern refinement. The engine delivers both adrenaline-inducing performance and a sense of mechanical sophistication, ensuring every drive is memorable. Braking performance is designed to match the Impala's impressive acceleration. Large ventilated disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while stability and traction systems work seamlessly in the background to maintain control during sudden deceleration. Pedal feedback is firm and communicative, giving drivers full confidence during spirited drives. The chassis remains composed under hard braking, reflecting the careful engineering that balances raw power with stability. Inside the cabin, the driving experience continues to impress. The driver-focused cockpit places essential controls within easy reach, while the digital instrument cluster provides performance information at a glance. Infotainment systems offer intuitive navigation, media access, and smartphone integration, ensuring convenience without distraction. Comfort remains a priority, with supportive leather seating, adjustable climate control, and ambient lighting, creating a premium environment that complements the car's performance-oriented character. The 2026 Impala SS427 also excels in practicality without sacrificing excitement. Despite its performance-focused engineering, the interior offers ample space for passengers and cargo, making it suitable for daily driving, long-distance trips, or weekend adventures. Thoughtful storage solutions and intelligent design maintain usability while reinforcing the vehicle's modernized classic appeal. The blend of muscle car performance and full-size sedan practicality makes the SS427 a rare and compelling offering in today's market. On the road, the Impala SS427 delivers a unique combination of muscle, refinement, and composure. Its adaptive suspension ensures comfort and control, while the V8 engine provides exhilarating power without overwhelming the cabin with harshness or noise. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS427 fully demonstrates why it remains a modern reinterpretation of a classic muscle legend. On open highways, the car feels composed and commanding, with the wide stance and performance-tuned suspension delivering remarkable stability even at high speeds. The long hood, sleek roofline, and muscular rear fenders give it a presence that is both aggressive and elegant, ensuring it stands out in any setting. Every aspect of the exterior has been refined for aerodynamics, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal, blending Chevrolet's heritage design language with contemporary performance cues. Power delivery remains thrilling yet refined. The supercharged 427 V8 responds instantly to throttle inputs, producing a raw, unfiltered sensation of acceleration. Whether merging onto highways, overtaking slower vehicles, or simply enjoying spirited drives along winding roads, the Impala SS427 feels alive and alert. Torque is abundant, and the powertrain's engineering ensures smooth, predictable power application, making it a car that excites without overwhelming the driver. Transmission and throttle response have been calibrated to create a harmonious blend of performance and control. Handling is precise for a full-size muscle sedan. The adaptive suspension and performance tires allow the car to navigate corners with poise, while the steering provides clear, responsive feedback. Even during aggressive maneuvers, the Impala remains balanced and predictable, reflecting the careful integration of classic muscle dynamics with modern chassis engineering. Stability systems operate subtly, supporting the driver only when necessary, allowing the natural dynamics of the car to shine through. Braking performance is equally remarkable. Large ventilated discs paired with advanced brake assist technologies provide confident stopping power in any condition. Pedal feel is communicative and precise, giving the driver full control during spirited driving or emergency stops. The braking system complements the car's high-output engine, ensuring the Impala SS427 can be pushed to its limits safely and predictably. Inside, the cabin balances luxury, comfort, and driver focus. Leather-trimmed sports seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. The digital instrument cluster delivers clear performance data at a glance, while the infotainment system integrates seamlessly with navigation, media, and smartphone functions. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and refined details ensure that every drive feels special, combining classic muscle car character with modern refinement. Practicality has not been sacrificed. The full-size cabin offers ample passenger space, intelligent storage solutions, and modern conveniences, making the Impala SS427 suitable for both everyday driving and weekend adventures.